comparison. Fyers versus Motilal Oswal. If you're looking for a trading platform with low costs, easy access, and no hidden fees, this video is for you. Let's dive in. Fyers overview. Fyers is an excellent choice for traders who want a simple, cost-effective platform. Their brokerage fees are just 20 rupees per order, whether you're trading intraday or holding stocks. Plus, there are no account maintenance fees or transfer charges, meaning you keep more of your profits. With zero fees on mutual funds and IPOs, Fyers is a great choice for anyone looking to maximize their returns. Motilal Oswal. Overview. Motilal Oswal, on the other hand, is a long-standing player in the market. While they offer solid research and advisory services, their brokerage fees are higher. They also charge for some extra services, like advisory, which adds up over time. While their platform is well equipped, the cost can quickly become a burden for regular traders. Why Fyers? So why should you choose Fyers? First, the low-cost structure gives you a clear edge. Their flat 20 rupees per order brokerage is perfect for active traders. Also, with no hidden charges, zero account maintenance, and free stock transfers, you won't face unexpected costs. The platform is simple to use, and the mobile app is highly rated, making trading easy on the go. Fyers versus Motilal Oswal. When comparing Fyers to Motilal Oswal, the difference in pricing is obvious. Fyers offers transparency with its pricing. You get the tools you need to trade without paying extra for unnecessary services. Meanwhile, Motilal Oswal's additional fees for research and advisory could take a big chunk of your profits. Conclusion. If you're looking for affordability, simplicity, and transparency, Fyers is the way to go. No annual maintenance fees, no extra charges, and a powerful trading platform. It's clear Fyers offers the best value for traders. Call to action. Ready to start trading? Sign up with Fyers today and take control of your investments with a cost-effective, user-friendly platform.